Protect the drywall edge gently so you can paint baseboards without tearing the paper next to carpet. When working on baseboards that abut carpet and new drywall, start by reducing tape adhesion. Use a low adhesion painter tape or rip a standard tape to thin the adhesive edge so it sticks less to drywall paper. Press tape only to the base of the paper without smoothing hard across the paper face, and avoid overlapping tape layers that increase pull. Cut a gap between carpet fibers and tape so the tape sits on the carpet backing rather than being pulled into the pile when removed. When painting, hold a steady brush angle and use thin coats to prevent paint seeping under tape and stiffening the paper. If tape removal is needed while paint is wet, pull slowly at a low angle back over itself to reduce lift on the paper. For any small paper tears, apply a thin coat of lightweight joint compound with a flexible putty knife, feather the edges, let it dry completely, then lightly sand with a fine sanding block before priming and painting. Common mistakes include over-taping where heavy adhesive pulls the paper, so switch to low tack tape and avoid pressing it hard. People often remove tape abruptly after paint dries, which rips the paper, so remove tape slowly and at a low angle while paint is still slightly tacky when possible. Another frequent problem is trying to fix tears with heavy compound that builds a ridge, so use lightweight compound, feather far beyond the tear, and sand smooth with a sanding block before priming. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for jobs that touch new drywall and baseboards, and to help contractors find work in nearby communities. We also host an active discussion community where we share techniques, ask questions, and exchange real job site tips.